Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to create fields for this currently learning skills and currently hacking on. Okay, so first we will go to VS Code, then authors, and here we are going to add fields in user profile. Okay, so we are not going to do something crazy. We will just add some fields and it will be ready to use. Okay, but before that I'll go to signals.py and I'll just remove these print statements. Okay, because it was only to show you and explain you, but this is of no use, so we can remove that. Okay, now I'll go to models.py again, and here after this profile page I will create currently learning. Okay, and here I'll say models dot text field, and this will be blank equals to true. So I'll just copy this blank equals to true because it is going to be uh, repeat again and again. Okay, then we have skills underscore language, and this will also be models dot text field. Okay, blank equals to true. Then last we have currently hacking on, so I'll just copy this currently hacking on, paste that over here, and I'll just say underscore between spaces, and without capital C I'll just say small c and equals to, this will be similar to this only. Okay, so we have added those three fields. Now I'll just break the server and I'll just zoom a bit so you can see properly. Okay, now here I will say make migrations. Okay, and I will just migrate. Okay, now I will run the server, so I'll say run server. Okay, now once this is done, just minimize the terminal, close this both files, go to templates, authors, edit public details. Okay, now here we are going to add one section. So like we can do this thing on our work and education center section, right? So let me go to settings and we can do over here, right? Will that be fine? Okay, just separate it. Okay, never mind, I'll just separate, right? So I'll copy this card. Okay, I will remove this BR tag, and instead of this social links I will just say skills slash languages, I think so. Let me go to profile. Yeah, skills slash languages. I'll just write that over here. Okay, now I will just remove this both div tags, we don't need that, and instead of this website I can write this field name. Okay, then I will create one more div tag, and here I can say currently learning slash currently hacking on. Okay, and I'll go to models.py again and I'll just copy this currently learning, and I will just replicate this div tag, and I will say currently hacking on. Okay, so just save this, come to settings not settings.py, sorry, and now we can see we have this look. So we need to decrease the size of this text. Okay, text input, and we need to bring this side by side. So just copy this call div tag I mean cut it, remove this row and paste that over here. Now I think it should fix. Okay, so it has fixed. Okay, now see, this button is taking with this card. Okay, so we can give class to button, say empty hyphen 2. Just refresh, or I can say 5. No, it's too much. I can say 2 only. Okay, done. Now to reduce the size of this text input, let's go to forms.py. Now here I have decreased size of this bio, right? So I'll just duplicate this 3 more times. Okay, and I'll just space this. Okay, now from edit we will bring this field. Okay, now I'll paste that over here, and from here I will say currently learning, and I'll paste below over here, and I'll bring last field which will be skills underscore language, and I'll paste that over here. So just refresh, save, and come over here and refresh. Okay, so I think it is looking fine, but I think we should give 2 rows. So I'll say 2 over here and 2 over here. Okay, just save and refresh. Okay, now I think it is fine. Okay, so once this is done, we have not we have not added these placeholders, right? You can add placeholders by own. I have taught you how we can do that. Okay, but still I will show you that once, and you can add by your own. So here in placeholder of skills, okay, I'll just write comma and I'll say placeholder. Okay, and this will take value. I'll just say EG, and I want the user to see to know that how they can enter their skills or their programming language which they know. So I can say write Django, comma Python, comma Java, comma script. Okay, just save, come over here and refresh. Come here down and you can see we have this type of placeholder. So I can write Django, comma Python, comma Java like this, and I can save the profile. Okay, but after that, you need to add this placeholder in every field. Okay, and if any of this section is not created, then you can create by your own. Okay, you don't need to give class, but you can just copy this self function. Okay, and you can write that field name by looking the field name in the models. Okay, you need to write that field name over here, and you can just give placeholder like this. Okay, if I will add placeholder for every field, then this video will become too long. I don't want that. Okay, so you need to add it by your own. I have shown you how you can add. Okay, so once this is done, just save it. Okay, and close this forms.py. Now we will go to profile.html. now in here we need to print that details. Okay, so here I'll go to profile. Now in currently learning, so I'll go down. Now here I need to write double curly braces. Okay, and I'll open models.py. Now here I say currently learning, and I'll just paste that over here. So here we will check for the data. If data is not provided, then only we will show, otherwise we are not going to show. Okay, so let's remove the card only, right? So if I just do Control X over here, refresh, then that card is removed, right? Yeah, we can do something like this. So if I say if, okay, if user profile data, I need to write that over here also. Okay, so if user profile data dot currently learning has any data, then print this card. okay, else don't do anything. So we don't have any data in our currently learning, so it should not bring any card. Okay, and let's do same thing for skills. So here I'll just copy this if loop, paste that above this skills card. Okay, then I'll just end if. Okay, and here I'll copy this variable, copy. I'll open models.py. I'll copy this under skills underscore language, and here I'll paste that, and here also I'll paste that. Okay, then we have another card, and I'll say and if. Okay, now go to models.py, currently hacking on, and I'll just make curly braces, paste that over here, paste that over here too, and I'll just copy this variable which is user underscore profile underscore data. Okay, okay, save this. Now this two card also should be removed. Okay, these two cards, because we don't have any data in that field. Okay, so I'll just say refresh. Okay, so that cards has been removed. So I'll just go to settings, and here I can say Python comma Java comma Django comma Django REST Django REST framework comma Java JavaScript. Okay, now in currently learning I can write React JS. Okay, and currently hacking on, I can write my current education occupation, like I have completed my B.Tech, so I'll say B.Tech complete. Okay, just click on update user, and if I go to my profile, then I can see my currently hacking on, then I have this skills and languages and currently learning. Okay, so I hope you got idea about this thing. Okay, and in next video we are going to create dashboard page. Okay, so we have redesigned this whole admin panel, I mean user profile page. Okay, so in next video we are going to create dashboard. So thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.